Hey, what it do, guys? And it is really windy. And welcome to the Daily What It Do. And we are on Daily What It Do number 109. And I am here. We are in Palm Springs area. We are on our way to La Quinta, to the La Quinta soup plantation for more stuff that we won at the auctions. So right now, Terry's doing a quick bladder check, making sure all the tanks are empty. About 27 miles until we get to La Quinta. And I hope you guys are definitely staying safe out there. And I just used the restroom and I washed my hands, but I don't trust the soap there. So yeah, look at the view, guys. Look at the view. Whoa. Crazy. But we gotta keep it moving, guys. We gotta keep it moving as daylights are burning, and so is my skin because it's really hot. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's Disneyland's ride to work and the Daily What It Do. Alright, it's time to go to the park. I got another park ticket, you guys. Waste so much gosh darn time. Let's go. Don't stop the rock. Where's the woo was the rock? Lucas, you're staying inside the car. Will we make it? We're making it, guys. I think we're here, guys. We're almost here. We're at the park. We're at the park, guys. You guys put the window down? You're fucking smart, boy. What you guys want? This is what you guys wanted? Did this is what you wanted? To go walkies? Oh, I smell something there. Don't pull, Junior. Highly recommended. They'll love you for it at the end. You're majestic. The majestic was. Kick that dirt, boy. You like kicking dirt, huh? You like kicking dirt? No, you don't go that way. You come this way. Come on, let's go back to the car. We can go get the remote control car right now. Go back to the car, get some water. Come on. Put your little water cup right there. Yeah. Come on, Junior. Junior, come here. That boy. Don't push him. Gotta drink some more water because right now we're gonna work up a sweat. We're gonna race the truck right now. Okay, we'll leave the water here. We'll come back to the water. Now we got the truck and the woo-was. It's kind of hard to hold the camera because the woo-was are strangling me. Come on. I got 2 batteries for the truck. Get you guys some exercise. I'm gonna set the truck here, papas. Look. Now we gotta transplant the camera. Hold on, rookies. Into there. Oh, we got the camera ready to go. I'm waiting for the app so I can see the camera, but Junior's ready for that car to go. Hold on. You guys want the truck, huh? Junior, you want the truck? You wanna chase that truck? You wanna chase him? Junior, get that truck. Get that truck, boy. You get that truck. Get that truck, boy. All right, Bubba. Hey guys, what it do and what's up? And we are coming back from our soup plantation auction. We got a bunch of Frostline ice cream packets. We're gonna make vanilla and chocolate. We're gonna do party time. But I hope you guys can hear me correctly. I know the face mask is not really helping, but we stopped here at HADLEY's Fruit Orchard, world famous. Everybody knows this place. If you travel to Mexico, if you travel here for the Casino Morongo, you know about HADLEY's. And you know about the cabazon dinosaurs. I have done a cabazon dinosaurs video. You can check it out. I'll put the link up in the card. So you guys can check that video out. Me and Dee have been there. But we're here at HADLEY's Fruit Orchard for a quick stop, a quick bladder check, and possibly some nuts and fruit. Let's go see what to do in here. Ooh, they got boar's head sandwiches. Their famous a date, a shake, which seems dangerous for me. All milk and dates, no thank you. And hours of operation. Ooh, open 7 days a week. Nice. Look guys, Fruit Orchard. Oh my god, it's peanut butter, almond butter, walnut butter. Oh man, it's so good. And more peanut butter. This is the place to be, man. It's got a merch shop. Look, the Woo-Was. More Woo-Was. That's Junior right there in those socks. Hey, I got candy. How do they know I love candy? And I'm looking for, ooh, jerky. Beef jerky dog treats. Oh, it's for dogs. It's for Woowas. That's cool. Oh, let's go through here. The beer garden. Oh, they got beer, 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 beer. Irish stout. They got good stuff. Ballast Point. Come on, Ballast Point. Josh, Becky, White Claw, White Claw, White Claw, White Claw. I'm gonna get some else. I'm gonna get these. We're gonna get D. That's for D. Original zebra chocolate popcorn. But I wanna get something for me, and I'm gonna go with spicy. Peanut sampler. I'll go with that. I think it's got the spicy and the sweetener. Alright, sold me, Terry. Let's go. Oh, I found the jerky for people. $16.99 for this all this jelly. Orange teriyaki. Oh, this one looks good because it's all moist. Open water, canned water. See, there's some water in cans. Sustainable packaging for plastic-free oceans. That's nice. We got our bag from Hadley's. I'm coming home. We're coming home, dude. We got nothing. Hey guys, what it do? The day of work is over. I'm not showing you guys much of my actual work as I need to concentrate while I'm actually doing it. So, and we're going into like, you know, private and franchise restaurants and businesses, so we don't really want to record in there. So you probably won't be seeing much of my recording. I may talk about what's going on and what I did, which is very little. For the most part, I'm just kind of just driving, because as you know, these dads just get tired because we do long drives. Today we went all the way to Palm Springs, La Quinta area, or as my dad likes to call it, La Quinta area. But we're back. We dropped off some stuff at the storage. I still got a little bit of work to do. I need to wash out these buckets. We got these buckets out in the auction too, but some of them smell like pickles. And some of them say pickles on them, and it smell. It's not this one. I think it's these. Yeah, it's these. These stink. Oh yeah, the ones that say pickles. Let's see pickles. Ah, pickles. That's what we got to use to clean up these pickle buckets. Whew. Now that I get these separated, the pickle funk is really bad. Look at that. Country Fair pickles. Refrigerated kosher bread and butter pickle slices. Oh, I like bread and butter. This is the Clorox Plus bleach. Oh, that smells. I can already smell the cleanness. Oh yeah, get it in there. I can hear the bleach working. Can you guys hear it? I think the pickle fart smell is gone from these buckets, but I gotta let them dry. Let's take a quick sniff. I still smell it in there. This one smells kind of clean. This one came out clean. This one's good. It still smells like bread and butter. Ah, this one smells like pickles. Right there, that's the perfect spot. That's where the AC's hitting. Yes. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Enjoy the nice little visit to Hadley's and Cabazon. enjoyed me getting the stink out of pickle buckets. Ew. But I do want to remind you, and you right now that's watching, that if you're new to the channel, and it's the first time you're watching a KIDULT TV video with D and me, subscribe. Subscribe to DEEandME and KIDULT TV. Get you notified whenever we upload a video, which is daily vlogs, daily what to do. But from DEEandME and KIDULT TV, D should be coming home soon, and we'll see you guys all tomorrow for another daily